All right. Okay, there it goes. It works now. All right, peace everybody. Caught you wrong. I told y'all gonna make a video showing you how to trade, teaching moms how to trade. All right, so I am on Traders View, and that's that website I was telling you all about. Traders View. Go there, and you can get free trading account. Where it was, well, yeah. You can't get a free trading account basically. Basically, you can come to Trading View, sign up for paper trading, and you can practice your trading for free. No cost to you. No real money, of course, just pretend money, but it is there for you to learn, so you don't lose anything. To which that is, excuse me, that is important. You want to learn first. All right, so I was charting up this. I was doing this chart. Then I remember, oh yeah, hey, I gotta make my own video. So here we go. This is what I do. Trend line. I pre already charted this. So basically, you choose your trend line and you can draw out a line. I guess yeah. You make a trend line, you click, you drag it out, and so therefore I drag this out down here to down here. Right. Hold on, real quick. All right. Hold on, real quick. I got a phone call. Type of the message. All right. Cool. So I do want to show you how it works. So basically, just you click and you drag. All right. And I guess the purpose of this video, I should just show you what I did. So basically, you want to drag the very top, of course, and drag the lines across where you see multiple touches. This is where it's bouncing off. This is 2021, start of the year. See how these lines all cross, and you see how these lines move around. This is how you can gauge what's going on. This has been a very strong support. Well, yeah, it's been a very strong support right here, as you can see, since the beginning of this year. And yeah, oh yeah, by the way, happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all the ladies, to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you. This is your Mother's Day how to trade video I'm making. Mothers teaching mothers how to trade. So click right here. This is what December. So this is January. This is what we really want to focus on around this area, the time frame. And I already pre-made. I wonder if I could bring back my. Probably can't now. Oh no. Oh, well, I'll make it again. So let's go ahead and make us a brand new. Oops. Yeah. Let's make us a brand new. So this is a what you call the ceiling. This is a trend line, but this is the ceiling trend line. Now we're about to make the floor trend. So of course you want to try to get it to where this is probably a good spot. And just drag it out just a little bit more. So the reason why I chose this spot is because it's near 20. It's 2021. You don't want to get all the way over here. It's like what, December. You want to get it to the very top. Near the very top. there's a trend, there's a bounce right here at December the 21st of 2020, going towards January the 5th, 2021. So this is a good floor trend line to start from, because if you look, it bounces down. So you just want to get it near, you just want to get it where it hit from the bottom to the top and started to trend down. So this is your trend ceiling. This is where it all started from. This is where it started from up here and started to go down. So that's why I drew my line right here, and you see multiple touches. All right, so there we go. This is how it's been going for this year so far, starting this year on forth to where it's at today. So yeah, so this is your first thing you want to understand when you want to trade. You want to look at the trend. What is trending? Where is trending? So it's going down, right? Or it could be breaking out of this trend starting right now, but I'm looking for it to shoot down. And so if you want, this is a 12-hour chart. I'm doing a 12-hour chart because it's just lesser bars to look at. If I zoom all the way out to 2021, it was all the way down here. Beginning of 2021 was right here and shot way up here. So the idea is, what you really want to try to do, if you can, find a spot where it spikes and this grows, so where you can just buy in, and then pretty soon, you can just add more positions as it grows. So right now, if you had bought in right here, you're pretty much holding on to your position to all the way till the beginning of 2021. So I wouldn't say hold on to your position for just, it fell down a pretty amount. It fell down 650 pips, almost 660 pips, then it bounced up. So if you was pre-holding still, I would just say it may bounce back up. We may be seeing something where it's bouncing up and it's going to bounce up and hit this trend line and bounce up some more. It could be matching back up to here, because in 2028 it was up here, it fell all the way down, and in 1 year, it shot up. So this is euro versus USD. So when you buy, you're buying into euro power. When you sell, you're doing, hold up, I'm sorry. When you're selling, it's a euro. When you're buying, it's dollar. The dollar amount is stronger, or the euro amount is stronger. Either or. Right now, the dollar amount has been very strong because of all the stimulus checks. So you see in 2021, it spiked. There's more stimulus checks out right now, so it may spike more. I'm thinking that pretty soon inflation may happen and we'll see a drop. Either or, a strong drop, but we're talking about short-term trades at the moment. Short-term trading. If it follows this trend line, then it may shoot down to here. That'd be 621 pips. which would be nice if it follows this route. I'm going to switch this over to day to day, and we can get a judge of how it looks day to day, which is how I trade. I look at the day chart and see which route it is going to take. And looking at this, I mean, it's following this trend. It could, let me go ahead and pull up a horizontal line so I could draw me some support beams and some resistance beams. So right here is already hit a resistant beam, a resistance, as you can see multiple times touched. And this is where it stopped at Friday. So put a green. Well, I like to change this to green. Green. I like to have green as the ceiling, the top, and red at the bottom, or vice versa, whatever. Green. All right, so I'm gonna put the support right here around this area. You see, you got touched multiple times, and also, I mean, there's a lot to teach or learn, but these areas where there's a lot of touches, you want to draw a box around so you could be aware this is a possible sell zone. This is a possible sell zone. So only draw these boxes. This is where a lot of action happens. This is where the action happens. So if I'm looking for a sell or buy or whatever, I'm looking for it in this area. This is why you see these type of charts and people charts. So I'm gonna take you over here to Trader View, see, so you can check out other people's charts. And you see how they have boxes. Boxes is basically showing you where you need to be alert if you're a trader looking for a good trade position. There's people who make these charts all differently. This is one. I like how they drew theirs. Of course, you know, you see the boxes, boom, bouncing, where you see a lot of action, or where you see a very strong action. I should say a very strong action, because this is a very strong action. As you can see, there's a box with the support and resistance line, because it acts as both things, support and resistance. Right now, it's acting as support. This will act as resistance. If it break and then hold, this will be the new support. But however, right now it's acting as a strong resistance, as you can see right here. As you can see, what I'm drawing out, this is a very strong resistance. And you know, I can move this line up anywhere. I can move it right here, probably, because this shows a very strong resistance. Well, not anywhere. You know, right there is pretty good. But to touch this right here, this is a shooting star, I believe it's called it. When it's down like that, shooting star. Candlesticks got different types of names, just like it would be like a doji almost. And wicks, candlesticks and wicks. You know, I gotta make a video about that. Candlesticks and wicks. But you see, boom, it hitting these lines right here. So this is a strong resistance, but I'll be looking for my sell somewhere around here. So I placed buy stops. Well, this is a different video, I should say. Like, you know, people pay money to take these type of classes. There's a lot of stuff to learn. Yeah. A lot of stuff to learn here. Okay, so as you can see right here, well, yeah, touch right here, it bounced up. Then, you know, of course, like I was saying, this line right here is important area. It touches, it hits up here, but it hit it here again, fell, hit around this area again, fell down, went up, hit around this area again, finally fell down. And this area right here, it touched this area around here, and then it bounced up, did this area again. If you look all the way out, this area right here been important. So this is an area of caution. This is an area of caution. So if it's following this trend, I'm looking to sell maybe right here. I place a buy stop, a buy sell limit up here, and a buy stop down here. So basically, if you a buy limit will be my highest sell point will be up here, and my lowest sell point will be down here. So I don't miss out on the sell. I need to sign in though, so you can see that. It should be automatically signed. But basically, let me do this. So, say for instance, this is my buy limit. I believe it's going to reach all the way up here, then drop, and then this will be my sell limit right here. So it would have to drop 40 pips for me to say, oh yeah, this is going to be a sell. Or I may put it down here just to double check, make sure it's a sell. Because all this right here is resistance. Excuse me. It has to break, it has to drop and hold. I could be like, okay, I'm going to sacrifice 76 pips to make sure it's the actual sell. To make sure, because I want to make sure it falls back down and start to follow this trend, this candlestick. And if I'm looking for it to fall back down to here, I mean, you know, so let's say I do want to sacrifice 76 pips. I'm still getting 244 pips. So That's all cool. I mean, hey, and if I'm doing $3, if I'm gonna do, which I am, not else, I am. All right, so $3. We really don't have to do all that. Just say 3 times 2, 4, 5. That's $735. So made it here in a couple of days. It took, but this is passive income. You just watching the charts fall. So hey, a couple of days, it won't hurt to wait. And then you know what? This happened in 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could bounce, go down here. What I'm looking for first is for it to go down here, hit 175, bounce up, then go down. I look forward to make it head and shoulders, and that's another video. But definitely, if you want to be like, hey, I just want to wait to see what happens. Then if it hits down here, it bounce up and start to do a little retracement, then you definitely know, okay, yes, it's a sell. So that's why selling, you could be very patient. You don't have to just jump right in. Or I mean, doing these charts, you can be patient. You don't have to jump right in. That's the cool thing about trading. Take your time. Just look at the charts. Take your time. See what's happening. Yup. Mm, boom. Then you could be like, take profit. Sell. Stop. Uh, Sell. Stop. I'm trying to make it pretty because they're gonna place this in the. I'm gonna post my chart. There we go. I'm about to post this chart up. Oh my goodness. All right, there we go. I'm about to post this chart, publish my chart, so people can see it. And let's see here. And then you can draw. There we go, brush. All right, let me see. Is this the right thing? Yeah, cool. All right, and so possibility this will go up, fall down, straight down. Let me see. Is this not drawing? The world? Oh, I gotta hold down on it. Duh. Alright, so you go down. Really? It's not what I'm looking for. Hold on. It's not what I'm looking for. Path. Is that it? This can't be it here. I just look for a pencil. The pencil. Now, let me try it out. Try this out. Oh, okay. Boom. Boom. Well, messed that up. Alright, so let's see if we can try this again. Boom. Hit there. Hit up here. And then hit here. Boom. Okay. Perfect. So you could do this, or it could do this. Here. And then boom. Here. Here. And boom. And hopefully it'll shoot down to here. Oh, boy, I think I messed it up. Yeah. Let me delete this one. And yeah, I screwed it up. How do I delete these things? Let's see. Boom. Hit here a little bit. Here a little bit. And there we go. Alright, so this is my chart. This is what I'm looking for to happen. And you're going to hit the very bottom ceiling. Gonna hit the very bottom right here. Boom. And they're gonna make this straight line. Make this gold. That's where we're going for. Possible goal. Goal. Take profit. There we go. Bow. So this is what I'm looking for to happen. But let me see what day is April. Possible things to happen. Not exactly on this month. I just drew these lines out. But yeah, this how I look to trade. Movies right here. I may need to adjust this a little, just a tad bit, just adjust it, just because you get people like that on the forums. But like, hey, you think this is gonna go all the way out to July? No, I don't think it's gonna go all the way to July. But I do need to fix it. What is this, May? It is May, right? Yeah. So by May the 19th, by 20th, it could go over here, or by, let's see, let me just move this over. Okay, that's more reasonable. Just in case someone want to be smart aleck, be like, man, you want to say this gonna last over till July? Like, no. So let me see. It's May, June. Okay, and it's already what, May the 9th. So yeah, that's reasonable to say this trade may take a month. So till May to then, let's see, 25 days. That's reasonable to say. 25 days, I believe it may drop from here to here. That's 682 pips. Hmm, let's see. So $3 times 682. Ah. So if I trade this $3 from here all the way down to here, just let it go. Don't add any more positions. There'll be this much amount of money. So that'd be pretty good. I think it'll be a good trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and color these images down here. Let's see. Just to make it more colorful, people can see what's going on. Short trade, long trade. Purple, I'll just basically will, yeah, let me draw another line. One more line just to close this whole video down. Boom. All right. Oh, I just noticed something. Yeah, let me do this. I like to try and make these things all colorful. Make it black. Make it black. Yeah. People hard can't see black. Make it white. All right, cool. That'll work. Okay, as long as you can see what's going on here on the screen. So there we go. This is my chart right here. This is what I'm gonna go ahead and put out there. Show everyone. Keep it simple, right? It's gonna go up, hit here, bounce, bounce, bounce. Or may go short, bounce up. Yeah, and I may need to fix that too. Let's see. Love. There we go. Now you can see everything. But my sell stop, boom, will hit this line. It's probably where I put my sell stop at. That's good enough. Cool. So boom, it'll bounce down, bounce right here. They bounce right here. Go up. Go down. So when you trade, when you chart these, when you make these charts, you got to look at the resistant lines where there could be a resistant line right here. So since this is gonna bounce way up here, it's gonna fall straight down. The higher it goes, the further down I look for it to go. If it bounced right here, the shorter I look for it to go. They're just what I look for. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here. This should be good enough to just get you started on how to chart things out. All right, peace and love, everybody. Catch you, bro. And happy Mother's Day once again. This is a little Mother's Day video. Just want to show you how to chart out these graphs. This is just a basic way. There's some many ways to